All right, on that story, let's take you back to the coast region where Ashley Mazuri is still on standby. Ashley.
Well, Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki says the executive will honor and uphold the independence of all institutions, including the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, emphasizing the need for collaboration among all arms of government. Now, the DP says no institution can operate in isolation. Speaking at the launch of the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions Strategic Plan 2023 to 2027, Kindiki said the government will provide the required resources to enhance the efficiency of these institutions.
President Ruto established under Executive Order Number 2 of 2023 a liaison function under the Office of the Deputy President, mandated not to interfere with independent offices and institutions, but to liaise with constitutional commissions, independent offices, applaud and celebrate the creation of independent offices and institutions by our Constitution. We also remind ourselves that for the realization of the objectives, the purposes, and the vision of those independent institutions, it is important that these institutions work collaboratively with other arms of government and other institutions, because no single institution can deliver without the support of each other. The executive is committed to providing resources, finances allowing, to ensure that we not only enhance but also safeguard the independence and interdependence of the offices and institutions. President Ruto has been steadfast in his emphasis that he will not interfere with the functions of independent offices, but he encourages a whole-of-government approach with the criminal justice system.
Well,